Many times, we create presentations where the content is good, but the slides look very plain and simple. Basic text, white background, and no visual appeal. Redesigning slides manually takes time, and templates don't always match the content properly. But there's now a feature inside Google Slides that can help you improve the look of your slides in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance a simple slide deck and make it more clean, professional, and visually engaging using this built-in feature. Let's get started. First, log into your Google account and open Google Slides. Once you're logged in, you land on the main dashboard where you can see all your recent presentations. From here, you have multiple options. You can start a presentation from scratch, use ready-made templates, or continue working on any of your recent slides. For this video, let's start with a blank presentation. Now inside Google Slides, you'll notice several powerful features. You can create slides, generate images, design infographics, or even produce studio quality visuals in seconds using Nano Banana Pro. You can also import an existing presentation and completely upgrade its look and feel. That's exactly what we're going to do. Click on Import Presentation and you'll see different upload options. Today, we'll upload a PowerPoint file from our local drive. Once the file is uploaded, Google Slides will ask how many slides you want to enhance. We'll select all slides, because we want to redesign the entire presentation. As you can see, the slides look very plain and basic right now, not very engaging. So our goal is to make them more visually appealing and match them with a proper theme. To do that, simply click on the Beautify slide option. This will trigger Nano Banana, which automatically analyzes your slide content and generates a new design with relevant visuals. Once the design is ready, click on the image to preview it. If you like the result, just click Insert as a new slide. This will add the redesigned slide to your slide deck. After that, you can delete the old slide and keep the new one. Now you'll notice that Nano Banana has created a theme and background visuals inspired directly by your content. You can repeat the same process for every slide. If you move to another slide and right-click on it, you'll see a Refine option. Here, AI can help you rewrite your content. You can shorten it, rephrase it, make it more formal, or even convert it into bullet points. Let's try the more formal option. As you can see, the content is now rewritten in a more professional tone. Once that's done, click Beautify slide again, and Nano Banana will redesign the slide based on the updated content. And just like that, a plain slide turns into a clean, professional, and engaging design, all in one click. Now what if you want to make changes to a generated slide? Simply go to the Help Me Visualize section and type your prompt. For example, you can write, "Improve the slide to show data more clearly." This time, the AI creates a more minimal background, making the content easier to read. The AI is smart and fully content aware, which makes the results even better. You can continue this process for all your slides, and once everything is done, you'll clearly see the difference. The visuals, layouts, and even diagrams generated by Nano Banana are closely aligned with your content, which is honestly the cherry on top. Finally, when your slides are ready, go to File and download them as a PowerPoint presentation. And that's it, your enhanced presentation is ready. This is a super easy way to upgrade plain slides and give them a modern professional look using AI. So what do you think about this new Google Slides update? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.